Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Marky. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys something absolutely amazing. But before we get into the video, I just want to tell you guys, if you have not already subscribed, please make sure to subscribe, guys, because we are so very close to 200,000 subscribers, guys. And once we make it to 200,000 subscribers, I got something very special planned for you guys. So please make sure to subscribe if you have not already subscribed. I'm really trying to get to 200,000 subscribers, guys, so please make sure to subscribe. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 absolutely amazing tips and tricks you may not have known you could do in Minecraft, guys. So starting off with the first tip, have you ever had a wolf that you actually spawned or just found, and then you tamed him, guys? Well, if he's not gonna run away from me, you actually tame him, and then like a zombie or something comes up and actually starts to kill him. You might be wondering, how do I heal my wolf? Does he heal naturally? No, he does not heal naturally. You actually have to feed him meat, and the best meat to actually feed him is rotten flesh, guys. It will not kill him. It will actually make him healthy and strong, and if you're lucky, by feeding him rotten flesh, he might even have a wolf baby. That's right, guys, he might even have a wolf, or she might even have a wolf baby, guys. Because when you actually feed them the rotten flesh, they're actually more likely to produce wolf babies. So if we're lucky, they might do it, guys. They actually did. Wow, that's amazing that they actually did produce a wolf baby. And look how cute he looks, guys. He just looks so beautiful. You can even feed him the rotten flesh, guys. I wish they was all baby wolves, though, guys. Look at how cute he looks, guys. I just want to, like, pinch his cheeks. But yeah, it's very rare that happens. We're lucky that did just happen to us, guys. But another tip is, if you're actually going to try to fight spiders or mess around with them, do it in the daytime, or make sure that you have torches out. Because if you actually have torches out, or if you're like going around their path in the daytime, guys, they actually will not attack you. But at nighttime, they will attack you if you don't have any torches around, or if you just hit them, they will actually still attack you. So I'm actually going to go ahead and just hit him right in the old spider back. And see, guys, he will try to attack me, but my dogs will get him, because now they're healthy, strong, and they can move a lot faster since they ate that rotten flesh. Ain't that right, puppy? He loves me, guys. I wish I had some more rotten flesh. I would feed it to him. I wish I could feed him spider eyes. That would be pretty nasty, but I have really nothing else to do with my spider eyes. But another cool tip and trick that I would suggest for every Minecraft player is to build like this little hideout, guys. Make sure that you build it exactly how I'm building it, guys. Just make like a little hideout. You can make it out of dirt, you can make it out of really whatever you want, guys. And the best thing to actually use these little, like, I guess you would call it like a little hideout, is to actually harvest ender pearls, guys. Now, it will not protect you from like spiders and zombies and stuff, but it will protect you from the taller mobs, and it will also protect you from some of the flying mobs, but mostly, you know, it's basically only used for Endermen. So if you are actually hunting for ender pearls to head to the end, or if you just want ender pearls to throw for fun, guys, the best way to get them is to go out at night, build one of these, guys, and then start killing some Endermen, guys. Trust me, if you guys built one of these, it will absolutely change your life, guys. Like, this is the only way I hunt Endermen now, because it's so easy. It just, look, they can't even do anything about it. Like, I've already got one ender pearl, and I took absolutely no damage from these guys whatsoever. They just cannot beat me up. They can't be bullies anymore. And trust me, guys, these guys are pretty hostile. and pretty vicious. Let's go ahead and throw this ender pearl, guys. And see, the ender pearl still work just fine, guys. Although, I kind of threw myself into the deep sea, guys. I kind of messed up. I shouldn't have slung myself this far, guys. But I have always wondered, can spiders swim in water? I've never tested it, and I've never seen a spider swimming in water. You know what? I'm about to test it right now, guys. Because spiders might actually swim better than I can swim. They probably do swim better than I can swim. Oh my god, one just hit me. Oh my god, guys, they can actually swim in water. And look at my dog. He's trying to attack him, guys. He's like, should I go back to my owner? Should I attack him? Should I go back to my owner? He's coming back to me. No, he's going to try to attack him. Whoa, what is he going to do? He's probably just going to end up coming back to me, guys. Hopefully he does. But another cool thing that you can do, guys, is when you actually built your frame to head to the Nether, make sure that you guys put TNT on each side of it. It don't only make it look cool, but if you actually hook like redstone and repeaters up to it, you can actually flip the switch, head in, and then it will actually blow up your frame. So then if somebody else wants to head into your Nether, they will actually need a flint and steel to light up your frame, guys. Which, I mean, you should already have a flint and steel, so you won't have to worry about relighting it. But they won't be able to head through the Nether to try to get any of your loot or anything, guys. Also, you can light up these Nether frames with a fire charge instead of a flint and steel, guys. And how you actually get fire charges is you actually have to have gas. Shoot them at you, and then that can light up the frame. I think you might get fire charges if you kill gas. I'm not for sure on that one, but I think you might, guys. But as I was saying, if you like the TNT, boom, now your frame is unusable, guys. But if you just trying to style your Nether frame, like you just want it to look cool, you can use diamonds, guys, to make it look really cool, or even emeralds to show how rich you exactly are, guys. But I would suggest the TNT route because, like I said, there's a lot of noobs that try to head into the Nether and hit you into lava, or even like blow up your base in the Nether. So you probably just want to go ahead and set up some redstone to that, and then blow the heck out of it when you head into the Nether, guys. That would probably be my best suggestion. That's what I usually do, guys, is I just hook redstone up to it, and then boom, blow it up. Oh my god, these spiders are trying to be my pet, guys. I don't know what it is. For some reason, Spider-Man just likes hanging out with me. But like I said, guys, please make sure to subscribe. I'm trying to hit 200k. But also, let me know if you guys have any suggestions for what I should do in my next top 5 tips. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.